Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 6? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mrs. Nala, with the subject of English grammar. Today we are going to do a couple of exercises on page number 8 and 11. These two exercises are about sentence fragments and compound sentences. These are the two main objectives for our today's online lecture. The students will know the difference between subjects and predicates. Also, they will understand the definition of compound sentences and their link with conjunctions. Now we are going to solve the exercise on page number 8. This is our page number 8 here. Exercise A on page number 8. Write predicate or subject to identify each fragment. Now, for the first 5 questions on page number 8, there are 5 fragments. So, you are going to identify, you are going to name each of the fragments according to their nature. If it is subject, you will write subject. If it is predicate, you will write predicate. Many people now, it is subject. Is Yellowstone National Park, that is a predicate. Visits his grandmother in Poland is a predicate. My friend Lily is a subject. Spend a day at the beach is a predicate. Now exercise B. Make each fragment a complete sentence by adding a complete predicate or subject from exercise A above. Write the new sentence on the line. Now from question 6 to question number 10, again there are fragments, but now we are going to change these fragments into complete sentences by borrowing or choosing a suitable subject or predicate from exercise A. My favorite place to visit. Okay, now that is a fragment. Now I am going to choose a suitable predicate. Okay, so I will choose number 2 to complete the sentence. My favorite place to visit is Yellowstone National Park. Now you are going to write is Yellowstone National Park along with the subject of question number 6 here. Then it will become a complete sentence. Yellowstone National Park is a proper noun, so Yellowstone will start with capital Y, National with capital N, and Park with capital P. Number 7, goes to Camp Cross Arrows every summer. Now that is a predicate, so we need a very good subject to convert this predicate into a sentence. So I will choose this one. Number 4, my friend Lily goes to Camp Cross Arrows every summer. Number 8, whenever I can, I spend a day at the beach. Now I have chosen this predicate from exercise A and joined it with question number 8. Whenever I can, I spend a day at the beach. And the same formula I will apply for the answer of question number 9. Enjoy the mountains in the winter. Who enjoy? We don't know. But if we see exercise A, we can find a suitable, a very proper subject. Many people, that is a subject, so you will bring it in the beginning of fragment. Many people enjoy the mountains in the winter. And the last one, during the holidays, Michael visits his grandmother in Poland. Now we are going to do our another exercise, page number 11. Here you will come across conjunctions. Conjunctions are one of the most important parts of speech. A conjunction joins words, a group of words, and adds information but shows contrast or gives choices. A compound sentence is two simple sentences that have been combined with a comma and a conjunction. Use a semicolon to separate two parts of a compound sentence not separated by a conjunction. Yes, my dear students, if you are going to use a semicolon to join two different clauses to make a compound sentence, there will be no conjunction. But if you are going to use a conjunction, then there must be a comma. So this is a condition for the solution of exercise A and B on page number 11. For each compound sentence that is joined by a conjunction, write the conjunction and what the conjunction does. If a semicolon joins a compound sentence, circle the semicolon. Number 1. Emily and her grandfather eat dinner together once a week and they sometimes go out to a restaurant. Of course, that is a compound sentence because two different clauses have been joined with this conjunction and. Okay. Now we have written this and here, and also we have to give the purpose or the target for what this conjunction has been used. This conjunction and actually shows two actions, or you can say it shows us some new information. Number two, this week they could go to their favorite Japanese restaurant, or they could try a new Mexican place. Now in this sentence the conjunction is are. This conjunction are shows the choices. Number three, Emily couldn't decide but her grandfather chose a Japanese dinner. Now here the conjunction is but, it shows a contrast. Number four sentence, grandfather wanted to take the bus, Emily preferred to walk to the restaurant. Now that is a compound sentence. There is no conjunction. Rather, two clauses have been joined or linked with each other with a semicolon. So according to the question, we have to circle a semicolon. So do the same as I have done. Exercise B. Combine the two simple sentences. Use the punctuation and conjunction shown in parentheses. Write the new sentence on the line. Emily wanted sushi. Her grandfather ordered teriyaki. Now you have to join these two sentences to convert them, to change them into a new compound sentence. But there is a condition. You will use comma plus and. So write the new sentence as I have done. Emily wanted sushi and her grandfather ordered teriyaki. Number 6. Emily ordered 2 kinds of sushi. They both were delicious. Now you are going to use a semicolon to join two clauses for the purpose of a compound sentence. Emily ordered 2 kinds of sushi, semicolon, space, they both were delicious, and at the end there will be a sign of exclamation. So far we have done our two exercises. These two exercises are about sentence fragments and compound sentence. I hope you will have done a good job in your notebooks and books. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.